bring the needle up from behind the fabric. Bring the needle down and make the first stitch, about 4 mm long. Bring the needle up, leaving a gap roughly the same size as the first stitch, and bring the needle down halfway through the previous stitch, splitting the stitch. Continue embroidering by leaving a gap between the end of the previous stitch and bringing the needle down in the middle of the previous stitch. For an even looking split stitch, make the stitches the same length and keep the same tension of the thread.